Tata Punch F Smart Electric SUV for modern India. India's electric vehicle journey is accelerating rapidly, and Tata Motors continues to lead the transformation with practical, affordable, and future-ready EV. The Tata Punch F is a perfect example of this evolution, a compact electric SUV designed for modern urban lifestyles while maintaining the rugged DNA that Indian buyers love. The Punch F combines SUV styling, smart technology, impressive range, and safety in a compact package. It is built for city commuters, young professionals, small families, and anyone looking to switch to electric without compromising comfort or practicality. Bold SUV design with a modern electric identity. The Punch F carries forward the muscular stance of the standard Punch while adding futuristic electric styling elements. The closed-off grille, LED light bar, sharp DRLS, and aerodynamic alloy wheels give it a distinct F personality. Its elevated ground clearance and high seating position make it suitable for Indian roads, from city traffic to uneven rural stretches. Despite being compact in size, it looks strong and confident on the road. The charging port is neatly integrated at the front, adding both convenience and a modern touch. Performance and driving experience. The Tata Punch F is designed primarily for urban driving, offering smooth and silent performance. The instant torque delivery typical of electric vehicles ensures quick acceleration at traffic signals and effortless overtaking in city conditions. It comes with multiple driving modes to balance performance and efficiency. Regenerative braking helps recover energy while slowing down, improving overall driving range. The suspension setup is tuned for Indian roads, offering comfort over speed breakers and potholes. The compact dimensions also make it easy to park in tight city spaces. Battery, range and charging. One of the biggest highlights of the Punch F is its practical driving range. Depending on the variant, it offers a competitive range suitable for daily commuting and occasional longer drives. Home charging is simple and convenient. The vehicle supports standard AC charging, allowing users to charge overnight. Fast charging options are also available, significantly reducing charging time during travel. With the expansion of F-charging infrastructure across major Indian cities, owning an electric car is becoming easier and more practical than ever. Smart interior and technology. Inside, the Punch F offers a modern and tech-focused cabin. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time battery status, range information, and drive data. The touchscreen infotainment system supports smartphone connectivity, navigation, and voice commands. The cabin layout is clean and premium, with quality materials and a spacious feel despite its compact footprint. The elevated seating gives a commanding driving position, improving visibility and confidence on the road. Other convenience features may include wireless charging, automatic climate control, connected car technology, and over-the-air updates. Safety first. Tata's strong DNA. Safety has always been a strong area for Tata Motors, and the Punch F continues that legacy. Built on a robust platform, it offers high structural strength along with essential safety features like airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and advanced driver assistance features in higher variants. Tata's reputation for building safe cars adds confidence for families considering a switch to electric mobility. Cost efficiency and environmental benefits. Switching to the Punch F significantly reduces running costs compared to petrol or diesel vehicles. Electricity costs are much lower than fuel prices, and maintenance is also reduced due to fewer moving parts in electric vehicles. In addition to cost savings, the Punch F contributes to reducing carbon emissions, making it an environmentally responsible choice for modern India. Government incentives and state-level F policies further make electric cars more attractive for buyers.